GIS stands for Geographic Information System. It visualizes, analyzes, and interprets data to understand geographic relationships and trends. Think of a map on your phone showing restaurant locations. That's GIS. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more GIS tutorials. GIS works by using something called spatial data. Spatial data tells us where things are located in the world. It's like the coordinates on a treasure map, but instead of just one treasure, it shows the locations of many different things. This data can map out anything from natural features like rivers and mountains to man-made structures like buildings and roads. In GIS, each of those things would be a piece of spatial data. GIS also uses layers to organize different types of information. Layers are like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, each containing specific information. By combining these layers, we can get a comprehensive view of the spatial relationships between different elements. GIS is used in many different fields, providing invaluable insights and solutions. City planners use GIS to design new parks, roads, and other infrastructure, ensuring efficient use of space and resources. Environmental scientists track pollution and monitor wildlife habitats with GIS, aiding conservation efforts. During hurricanes, GIS helps emergency responders find safe routes and provides real-time data on weather patterns. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more GIS insights. Section 4. Tools for Exploring GIS. There are many different software programs that you can use to work with GIS. Some popular options include ArcGIS and QGIS. These programs allow you to create maps, analyze data, and share your findings with others. Section 5. The importance of GIS and further exploration. GIS helps us understand our world better. It offers tools for exploration and discovery. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more GIS insights.